Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we'll continue and discuss the situation on the euro currency. Well, yesterday we said that if market will hold above that high, previous high, that was also the daily confluence resistance area, and will hold there and will not return back below this level, then this will be the warning sign for the bears, because bears would like to see the Washington is the taking out of the stops that has been placed somewhere above that level and returns right back. So that hasn't happened. So I suggest that suspect that probably this situation is due to the Greece expectation or investors' expectation about their decision about the pension funds, because they have to reduce them on the 15%, and now I suppose that there's significant and big politician games inside the Greece, and every politician want to show to their citizens that he has done everything that he could to prevent this issue. That's why I suppose that this price action somehow includes these expectations about the Greece. If they will not reduce the pension payments for the 15%, they just will not receive any additional help from the IMF and Euro Union. So that's why in general investors thinks that probably Greece will do anything to get that money, and this probably suggests that most investors believe in the positive decision of this riddle rather than negative. That's why in general you can see that this price action now looks more like their expectation of the positive event inside the Greece. If we will take a look at this from the perspective of the Jed-Napoli directional pattern, this double repo sell, that is also not good sign for the bears, because take a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars to the upside, minimum requirement number of bars to treat it as the thrust move. Now take a look at the consolidation between the first penetration was right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, already 6 bars. Even if market will show move to the downside, this will be 7 bars and the 7 and 8 bars thrust. This is not very good. Well, the most perfect double repo pattern, and when the thrust is significant and the consolidation between the penetrations are relatively tight. But here it's a bit extended, and the fact that market stands just above this level and hasn't returned right back yesterday makes me worry about the bearish perspective in the nearest trading sessions, maybe even for the tomorrow trading sessions. So since there are a significant amount of time till the Greece decision, what we could do during today, maybe tomorrow trading sessions. First of all, take a look at that extensions. That is the 127 extension of our butterfly on the 4-hour time frame. You can see it. It's 133 area. Take a look at that 1618 extension. It's right here. It's around 133.50 area, where there stands the next significant level of FIB resistance, 133.63. Just to explain you what this level is, take a look at the weekly time frame. That is my software CQG. Well, take a look. That levels. This is the weekly chart of the euro currency. So you can see that this level 133.63 is the level from that high to that low. This is really a significant move, and this is the swing where this is the point from which this downward move swing has started. Also, what we expect in general. So that's just information for those of you who haven't read our analysis in our thread on the forum. Let's add to MA So that is the 3x3 moving average. Take a look. That is really solid thrust to the downside on the weekly time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bars to the downside. And that is the first pullback since the May of 2011. So that is really significant downward trend. And by the momentum market, we expect something like here. So you can see, although this thrust is not significant, but the price action in that area is what we expect here. So solid move to the downside, reaching the significant area of resistance. It's right now, it's probably could be right here. Okay, and continuation move to the downside. The minimum target of that continuation will be the 618 from the whole swing to the downside. So we add here few retracements. So you can see that 128.80, the 618 support, this will be the minimum target if that retracement will start to the downside. You can see the market here has hit it, shows some respect, and then continue move to the downside. Here could happen the same. So market will at least reach that level, 128.80, but later it could continue move to the downside. We do not know it currently, but this pullback will happen. Probably market could reach that next level of support by the positive some signs or some expectations on the Greece. If they will not be matched by two investors' expectations, probably market could show some move to the downside. But that retracement should come, because this really solid move to the downside market has significant bearish momentum on the weekly time frame. That is the first pullback, and usually the first pullback will be sold off by the new participants who would like to join this move and will enter on some significant level. So that is the next level, 133.63. Also, that is the 1618 extension target of this hour butterfly. So now, just to make some conclusion on the daily time frame, now this is the warning sign for the bears. So if you're bearish, then since we hasn't got our return back below this high, do not be hurried to enter on the short side of the market. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? That is our butterfly. That is left wing. Okay, that is right wing. Market almost has hit 127 extension. So if you're still bearish and want to enter on the short side of the market, you could base your position on the butterfly. But I should worry you that if you would like to short from the 127 extension, you should place your stop somewhere above the 1618. That is the theoretical rules of the trading of the butterflies, because the major reversal point of the butterfly is 1618 extension. That is 133.67. So you could try to short partially from that level and place stop somewhere above the 1618. If market will proceed high, and I suspect that it probably will happen, since market hasn't moved below this previous high that we have discussed and now stand in the tight range, okay, then probably market will proceed higher. Also take a look at this thrusting bars to the upside. So it's really significant momentum. The shallow retracement was yesterday just inside of this bar, okay. And then you could try to short another from that level, because this is significant fib support and the potential target of that butterfly if you are bearish. Also take a look at this price action. This is the stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame. So market has tried to shift trend to bearish but failed and closed above it. This price action suggests to taking out at minimum these highs. This market will proceed high and take out these highs. But this could be also the continuation to the upside. Well, so if you're bearish, you could base your position on this price action, on the butterfly. If you're bullish, then you could try to trade only trend, because daily trend is bullish, hourly trend is also bullish. Here we have some kind of dynamic pressure, since this is the bearish trend by MACD, but market stands flat without no solid retracement to the downside and holds tight above this previous high. So that is the sign that probably market will proceed high. Also take a look at that inner pattern for the butterfly. A, B, C bottom. Market hits 618 retracement, accelerates further. 1618 stands at 133.42. So we have the next potential solid area of resistance, 133.40, 133.60 area. It's right here. Next aspect, since market has not moved below this previous high, then probably stands inside this tight range, then probably it could continue move today, tomorrow to the upside. Well, at least this is very probable based on previous price action. And the fact that market hasn't shown for us those bearish pattern that we have expected, I mean wash and rinse of these highs, okay, hasn't returned right back, so this is the bullish pattern as well. So this is really thrusting move without any solid retracement. So probably its odds suggest, at least personally I suppose, that market has more chances to continue move to the upside to the next area of resistance right here, and this probably could happen during tomorrow trading session. But again, be extra careful, trade only clear pattern according to the rules. So if you're bearish, waste your trades on the butterfly trading, because this pattern gives you absolutely clear levels where to enter short and where to place stops. If you're bullish, then you could trade by some retracements and trade directions on the hourly time frame and on the daily time frame. Personally, I suppose that since we do not have the double repo pattern now on the daily time frame, and even more, we now have some probability that market will proceed higher, then I probably will be waiting for the clear signs to enter in this market, because the situation on the Greece is a bit nervous, and it could lead to the extreme volatility on the market. I suppose that personally I will wait for that level to watch for is the potential sell pattern, because my major focus on the weekly bread and butter trade, and enter now on the short and the long side of the market currently is a bit risky. So it's better, at least personally for me, is to wait for that level and to watch how market will respond here. But this doesn't mean that you couldn't try to enter on the long side of the market while trying to catch that move, or partially with the small lot short here and add more in this level. This is a bit personal, because everyone from us has different trading style, different trading plans and risk management. So trade according to your trading plan, watch for the clear patterns, and control your risk.